Hello everyone. Today I'm going to provide a brief review of the two popular methods to solve systems of linear equations. They are substitutions and elimination. Okay, so um, most classes will start introducing substitution and elimination first at the Algebra 1 level, and later on you will learn different techniques such as using matrix and Cramer's rule. Okay, so substitution basically you're going to substitute, right? You're going to substitute one variable in terms of the other variables. All right, so for example, usually I would choose um, a a variable that can be easily rewritten in terms of the other variable. So for example, in this case, let's say that if you see that equation 1 here, it would be easier, right? It would be easier to rewrite x in terms of y. So for example, from this one, equation 1, I would write x equal to what? 1 minus 2, 2y. Okay, so uh, that's one way. If you look at equation number 2, you can see that it's easier to rewrite y in terms of x, right? So in this case, you would have y equal to 2x. All right. And so when you rewrite a variable in terms of the other variables, then what would you do? You would replace the this term into the second equation. Okay, so for example, let's just say that I'm going to start with uh, x equal to 1 minus 2x to 2y. Okay, so I'm going to replace x here with 1 minus 2y in the second equation. Okay, so let's start. So let's say that we're going to replace or substitute, right? So we're going to substitute x equal to 1 minus 2y into x in the second equation or equation number 2 here. Okay, so we would have 2x minus y equal to 0, or we would have 2 times here x is 1 minus 2y, right? So 1 minus 2y minus y equal to 0. So then you multiply 2 in, so you have 2 minus 4y minus y equal to 0. So you have 2 minus what? 5y equal to 0, or 2 equal to 5y. Okay, you divide both sides by 5, then you have 2 over 5 equal to y. So when you have y equal to 2 over 5, then you're going to replace y into one of the, any equation 1 or 2. Okay, so we're going to substitute. So we're going to substitute y equal to 2 over 5 into any equation you want. In this case, I guess I'm just going to into equation number 1. So I would have x plus 2 times 2 over 5 equal to 1. So here x plus 4 over 5 equal to 1. And you're going to subtract 4 over 5 both sides, right? So 1 minus 4 over 5, or equal to what? Equal to 1 over 5. So your solution or the solution of this system is x equal to 1 over 5, y equal to 2 over 2 over 5. Okay, so we always have to check your answers, yeah, and checking is very important because like it's a way for us to ensure that our answers are, are correct. All right, so check. Basically, you just have to put uh x and y, the values x and y into both equations. So in this case, I would have x plus 2y equal to 1. So x is 1 over 5 plus 2 times y, so 2 times 2 over 5. And I want to make sure, I want to check whether this equal to 1 or not. And for the second equation here, I would have 2 times x, so 2 times 1 over 5 minus y, so minus 2 over 5, and want to see whether the left hand side equal to 0. Okay, so again, 1 over 5 plus 4 over 5 equal to 5 over 5, and this is equal to 1. So the first equation checks out. What about 2 times 1 over 5? So 2 times over 5 will be 2 over 5 minus 2 over 5, and this is equal to 0, which is also the same. So I can confirm that my solutions is this. Okay, x equal to 1 over 5, y equal to 2 over 5. All right, now let's say that you want to let's say that you don't want to replace x, but you want to use equation number 2 to do the substitution, and that would be okay too. Okay, x plus 2y equal to 1. So let's see, x plus 2y equal to 1, and 2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so equation 1, equation 2. So in this case, I don't I'm going to substitute y in terms of x. So here I would have y equal to 2x. All right, and then I'm going to substitute y into the equation number 1. Okay, so we're going to substitute y equal to 2x into equation number 1, so that I would have x plus 2y equal to 1. In this case, x plus 2 and y here would be 2x. So I'm just going to write the new y here in a different color equals to 1. So here x plus 2 times 2x is 4x equal to 1. So I have 5x equal to 1, or x equal to 1 over 5. So then I have x equal to 1 over 5. I can again substitute like the x equal to 1 over 5 into any equation I want. In this case, if I substitute x equal to 1 over 5 here, I would have to substitute both sides by 1 over 5 and divide by 2. But let's see if this could be a little bit easy. In the sense that, take a look at this. We have that y equal to 2x already, right? So y equal to 2x already. So if you already have x value, then y values would be 2 times x, which is 2 times 1 over 5, and that would be 2 over 5. And your solution for this would be x equal to 1 over 5 and y equal to 2 over 5. And again, since last time we actually did a check, so um, I don't have to do the checking uh, again for this one. But technically, every single time that you do the solve the new solution, new system of linear equations, then you will have to do the checking. Okay. All right. So that's uh, one example. Let's start with another example. So you have x plus, let's say x plus 3y equal to 3 and 2x minus y equal to 1. All right. So why don't you stop, pause the video, and then do it yourself, and then later on check the answer. Okay, so again, I would just label these two equations at 1 and 2. It's easier for me to do this. And then, so in this case, you can do a couple of, a number of ways. Either you substitute x, write in x in terms of y, or y in terms of x. Okay. In this case, I'll just choose to express y in terms of x in the second equations. So I would have y equals to 2x minus 1. Okay, all right. So pretty much like I bring y over here, and then 1 is over to the left hand side, and then you change the sign. Okay, so then you're going to substitute y equal to 2x minus 1 into the first equation, right? So then you have x plus 3y equal to 3, x plus 3, and again y is actually a polynomial, right? So remember that you have to put the bracket, okay, 3 times bracket y. Here you replace y with 2x minus 1. Very important. A lot of people, a lot of students did not have the bracket and makes the wrong answer. So this bracket is very important. So here you have x plus 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. So x plus 6x minus 3 equals to 3. So here we have 7x equals, we plus 3 both sides, so that you would have what? Equal to 6. So x equal to 6 over 7. So when you have x equal to 6 over 7, then you just have to use this to find y, right? So here y equals to 2x minus 1 equal to 2x. Here x is 6 over 7 minus 1. Okay, so this one would be what? This one would be 12 over 7 minus 7 over 7, because 7 over 7 is 1. Okay, and that would be equals to 5 over 7. So here we would have the solution is x equal to 6 over 7, y equal to 5 over 7. Now again, you just have to check your answer. Very important, very important. You want to check your answer. So you're going to put x plus 3y equal to 3, 2x minus y equal to 1. So you're going to replace x and y into these, right? So x values, x is 6 over 7 plus 3y, y is 5 over 7. And again, you want to see whether this equal to 3. And 2 times x, so x is 6 over 7 minus y minus 7, 5 over 7, sorry, and want to double check if this equal to 1. All right, so simple calculation. So we have 6 over 7 plus 15 over 7, and that would be what, 21 over 7, and that would be 3. Good. So first equation check out. What about 2 times 6? 12. 12 over 7 minus 5 over 7. So that would be what? That would be 7 over 7, and that would be 1. Again, check out. So my solution, x equal to 6 over 7, y equal to 5 over 7 is correct.